Hey guys, Josh Remini here at the lab at Dilworth Drug and Wellness, where we're going to talk a little bit more about the defensive approach to cough and flu and cold season. This is the real important part for me because aren't we all about trying to prevent us from getting colds this season or the flu? So we do want to start from the very beginning. We want to do our flu shots. We want to make sure if you're a candidate, you get that, because that's an easy no-brainer for prevention. If you can't or won't get the flu shot, there's still things you can do to work on this defensive approach to cough and cold. So what can we do? We got to support the immune function. There's different ways to look at that. The days of just using vitamin C, elderberry, things like that are kind of the old school way of doing it. We've got supplements here that are really, really going to help that immune function, but they're not quick fixes. You have to really support your body throughout the season, which means 2 to 3 months of using these nutrients are really going to help support that body. Well, I hope all that information was useful for you. If you're looking for more information about how to really protect your body against the cold and flu this season, come by the store, talk to the staff. They're all well versed on the products that we use with great success. They all use them themselves, including me and my family. So we're very used to these products, and we have a lot of information that we can just show you. You don't need an appointment for these kind of things. You can just come in. We're happy to talk to you. Our goal is for you to be, feel much better this season.